Off track. Uphill dune. Cap 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! 700, cap 1. Attention, bump, danger 2, cap 358. Now, left to cap 279. 500, go right, over the dune, attention. Right, over the dune, cap 14. Go right, cap 63, dunes. Cap 63. 3Ks, cap 63, go! Follow on cap 63. Let's go! 500. Ruins on the left side. Sensitive zone. Follow on the right to cap 78. $1K and 300. Cap 78. Attention, danger 3. Step down dunes, cap 63. Go right, follow the fence. Cap 102. 500. At the end of the fence, go left. Go left, cap 69. Dunes. Right at the end of the fence, cap 78. Dunes. Sensitive zone. Follow on cap 78. Let's go! $500. Hairpin right to cap 172. Straight to the dune. Hairpin right, cap 172, straight to the dune. $700, hairpin right. Hairpin right, cap 262. 300, stay on the left of the palm trees. Now, straight to cap 251. Follow on cap 251. Let's go! 500. Across the dunes on cap 291. Cross the dunes on cap 291. 1K and 300. On the vegetation, go to the left. Left to cap 240. Go to the dunes. Danger 2. Cross the dune. Attention, danger 3, cap 214. Danger 2 on the dunes, cap 276. We're moving too far away. Follow on cap 276. Let's go. cap 163. 2Ks, cap 163. 500, hairpin right. Dunes, hairpin right to cap 292. Attention. 2Ks, cap 292. 500, left. Left, cap 184. 800, final. Final. Well done. Congratulations, we made it.